Xiaomi has recently launched a brand new cell phone featuring a 7550 mAh battery. We are discussing the REDMI Turbo 4 Pro, which has been introduced in China. However, its appeal goes beyond just the battery. It is also the very first smartphone worldwide to come equipped with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor. This Qualcomm platform provides optimized CPU and GPU performance specifically for gaming, along with efficient power consumption. It's clearly positioned below the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which stands as the most powerful processor. However, it's still a very capable processor. The display is an AMOLED measuring 6.83 inches, offering a resolution of 1.5K 2400 by 1080 pixels. It can achieve an impressive peak brightness of 3200 nits. Notably, the bezels are quite thin, measuring just 1.5 mm, although at the bottom it's 1.9 mm. This means it doesn't have 100% symmetrical bezels, but it still manages to achieve a commendable body screen ratio of 91%. This device is designed for gaming, featuring an excellent processor. To keep temperatures stable, it uses a 3D dual-loop cooling system with a dissipation surface of 6000 square mm, plus Xiaomi's new Rage Engine 4 platform. This software provides various optimizations for consistently stable performance. It features a sea-machined aircraft aluminum body for rigidity and is 798 mm thick, supporting up to 70 kilograms of pressure as per brand figures. Despite its thinness, it has a huge 7,750 milliamps battery and supports 90-watt fast charging. Xiaomi claims it charges 100% in under 40 minutes, though this needs testing. In fact, it also features reverse charging capabilities. Although it is not reverse wireless charging, it can function as a power bank, allowing you to connect a cable and power your friend's devices. It supports a power output of 22.5 watts, which is quite fast for reverse charging. When it comes to photography, it includes a 50-megapixel Sony Lithia 600 sensor with optical stabilization, as well as an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies, we find a camera with 20 megapixels, and it also offers 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, along with Bluetooth version 5.4. And it comes with IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for nearly complete protection against water, dust, high-pressure jets, and more. Indeed, Xiaomi has also launched a special Harry Potter edition featuring 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, accompanied by a themed box and content. The price of the most basic unit, which includes 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage announced for China, has been set at 2,199 yuan, which is approximately $312, so you can definitely see the competitiveness, although keep in mind that prices here differ from those over there. It is anticipated that this device might be released later under the POCO F7 series, likely with an additional variant or two, but we will need to wait a bit longer for that to happen. Meanwhile, I would love to hear your thoughts on this device and whether you believe that more manufacturers should consider integrating these types of batteries with capacities exceeding 7,500 milliamps into slim bodies.